Hello everyone, my name is Diego Espinosa, civil engineering student at Universidad de los Andes with mention in civil works. In this video, I will present the professional internship I carry out at Ingeniería y Construcciones Santa Laura, known as ISSL, a construction company specialized in urban infrastructure in Chile. The presentation is structured in 6 sections: a company overview, my department and role, the general activities I performed, the most challenging task of the internship, a technical deep dive into that task, and finally the results and conclusions. ESSL is a construction company specialized in the development, improvement, and rehabilitation of road and airport infrastructure across Chile. The company competes primarily in the public sector through tenders published on Mercado Público by the Ministry of Public Works. Among its most notable projects is the taxiway expansion at Arturo Merino Benitez International Airport in Santiago. Currently, the company is also bidding for the improvement of Route 5 in the Arica region, in joint venture with Flesan. As you can see in the organizational chart on the right, my position as intern was placed within the studies department, under the supervision of Rodrigo Diaz, head of the department. During the internship, I was assigned to the Project Proposal Studies Department, whose main function is to analyze public tenders and prepare competitive bids. My daily responsibilities include reviewing tender documents, supporting the preparation of construction schedules, specifically Gantt charts, performing direct and indirect cost estimation, and coordinating with the machinery, asphalt, and concrete divisions to obtain updated unit prices and productivity rates. One of the main projects we worked on was the major maintenance of Arturo Merino Benitez Airport 2025, which involves the rehabilitation of taxiways Alpha and Bravo. As seen in the layout plan, the project covered a significant runway extension. My specific contribution was optimizing the construction schedules shown here, since execution time directly affects indirect cost and therefore the competitiveness of the final bid. The number of bidders for this project was higher than expected, which required us to develop a more aggressive pricing strategy. I will now focus on the most challenging activity, the concrete quantity estimation for the Obispo Maña Road underpass in Santiago, where a roadway had to be constructed beneath an existing railway line. The task was challenging for four reasons: complex underpass geometry, limited drawing information requiring engineering assumptions, concrete being the largest cost item, meaning any error would directly impact the bid price, and the need to validate results against the consulting firm's official quantities. The project includes 5 retaining walls types along the alignment, varying in geometry, each some are straight, other curves, near the bridge abutments. Wall number 1 was used as the detailed work example. Two methodological challenges stood out. Heights had to be derived from the difference between the crown beam elevation and the subgrade level, and length were measured from dimension markers since neither was explicitly labeled in the drawings. The wall was divided into three subcomponents: crown beam, main wall body, and screen wall, and the volume were calculated as length times width times height for each. The total of the wall number 1 came to 375.86 cubic meters of G25 concrete. After completing the calculations, the comparison against the consulting firm's official quantities showed minimal discrepancy, confirming the methodology was accurate. The internship left me with four key takeaways. The quantity estimated aligned closely with the consulting firm's results, validating the methodology despite limited drawing data. The Chilean construction market is highly competitive. Fewer MMO projects mean aggressive bidding, making cost accuracy essential. I also developed the ability to extract missing geometry data by cross-referencing multiple drawings, and learned that accurate estimation requires real-time coordination across departments. Working in insulation leads directly to non-competitive bids. This was my professional internship. Thanks for watching.